Is Klaviyo good or bad? Honestly, it's neither. The better question is Klaviyo the right tool for your business? Because for some companies, Klaviyo is one of the best marketing investments they can make. For others, it's probably more than they need. Let's start with what's good. Klaviyo is built specifically for businesses that want to grow through customer retention, email marketing, SMS marketing, automation, and customer data. If you're running a Shopify store, e-commerce brand, subscription business, DTC company, or agency, Klaviyo gives you powerful tools to understand customer behavior and automatically send the right message at the right time. That's where many brands generate significant revenue. Instead of manually sending campaigns, you can automate welcome emails, abandoned cart recovery, post-purchase follow-ups, win-back campaigns, SMS messages, and personalized customer journeys. The platform also continues investing heavily in AI, helping marketers create campaigns, analyze customer data, and improve performance more efficiently. Now for the bad. Klaviyo isn't the cheapest option. As your subscriber list grows, your monthly cost can increase. And if you're only sending occasional newsletters, you may not get enough value from the advanced features to justify the investment. There's also a learning curve. The businesses that see the best results usually understand segmentation, customer journeys, retention marketing, and automation strategy. So is Klaviyo good or bad? For serious e-commerce brands focused on customer retention and long-term growth, it's usually very good. For businesses that only need basic email marketing, it may be more platform than necessary. My recommendation? Don't judge Klaviyo based on the monthly cost. Judge it based on the revenue opportunities it creates. Because for the right business, even a small increase in repeat purchases can easily cover the subscription cost. Before signing up, check the description below. I've included the latest Klaviyo offer link, free plan details, available promotions, and current deals that may help you get started at the best possible value. And if you enjoy finding honest software reviews, e-commerce tools, SaaS discounts, marketing platforms, and business growth resources, subscribe to the channel, because that's exactly what we share here on a regular basis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.